Hello and welcome to Weetzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. Welcome back to Weetzer's Woodshop. So, got a new idea. I'm going to do a different type of format for these videos. So today I'm just going to be working on the Sasquatch and his details and arm, his hands, and then we'll get to the feet and stuff today too also. But I got a better idea for my videos. I'm going to stick to the magic number of 7. So my videos will just be 7 minutes long at the max. Maybe 7 minutes, 30 seconds for you technical people out there that I know if I did it over 7, you'd complain anyway. So apparently, due to the algorithm of YouTube, that's about the attention span of everybody that watches my videos. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So I'm going to do 7-second snippets of, different carvings and different techniques. I'm going to do 7 minutes of video, and hopefully we'll have 7 people that are happy. So that's the way we're going to do this. So this will be the first format of the 7. I'm going to continue to do this. If I can't get 7 minutes of anybody's attention, not my problem. It seems to be your problem. So and it also helped me editing. I'm not going to lie. If I stick to a 7-minute edit and break things down. But I'm here to please you guys. So it's all about you and the subscribers. So we'll keep it there. So let's do 7 minutes and we'll see where it goes. Appreciate it. Welcome back to Weetzer's Woodshop. Let's get started on this monster here, because I got some other things I need to get finished. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. All right, check it out. All right, cool beans. Now that we got it all burnt up, had to borrow the neighbor's torch, so didn't bring mine. I didn't think I'd get this far today, so I'll take the camera off and we'll do a little bit of a walk around right after this. But that is so cool. Face almost done. Got to get up there, do a little more detail, burn up the eyes and some sanding, and then that'll be it. And then we can start on these thrones. Thanks for watching Weetzer's Woodshop, and like and subscribe. All right, let's check it out. Not too bad. We'll strip out that log. That's where the eagle's going on the back, and then these two are going to be chairs. So let's go around this way. There's the face. Hopefully I don't trip on anything. And I did this hand today. Not too bad. I got a lot more detail with the nails and stuff, and then proportion the fingers, and we got that all. Hopefully we can see this because there's backlight. So, not too shabby. All right, thanks for watching.